Residents of Port Royal, it's your turn. Get ready to experience a significant improvement in your water supply as the National Water Commission is now upgrading the transmission main that serves your community. Under the Port Royal Potable Water Transmission Main Upgrade Project, the existing pipeline will be replaced so that you and those who use the Palisades Strip and the Port Royal Shipping Port would enjoy the benefits of reliable and consistent service.
The project commenced approximately 4 weeks now, and we're looking to complete within 4 months. Outside of the improved in reliability of service, this line will allow the NWC to increase the volume of water moved into the Port Royal area with the anticipation of future development.
This includes the planned development of the cruise ship terminal and associated attractions, as well as the upgrading of social infrastructure, including housing. Additionally, the recently completed works along Spanish Town Road will allow the transmission of water from St. Catherine to augment the Mona system, and this augmentation will benefit the eastern areas of the island, such as Harbour View, as well as Port Royal and its environs. The project involves the supply and installation of approximately 8.6 kilometers of 300 millimeters or 12 inches of pipeline from the Norman Manley International Airport roundabout to the Port Royal pumping station. Sections of the current transmission main are laid along the Palisades coastline peninsula and sunken in the sand and or submerged in the coastal waters. Added to this is the fact that the transmission main is aged cast iron. Due to these factors, the transmission main is very fragile. It is susceptible to damage and difficult to locate to carry out speedy repairs. When the existing transmission main is replaced with high-density polyethylene pipes, there will be an overall improvement in service delivery because these new pipes are conducive to the environment.
The water table here is quite high. So what happens is that the trench that the pipeline is going to be placed in is going to be saturated with water, along with the fact that it's a mangrove, so there's some amount of salt in it. This pipeline was specifically designed to withstand the conditions along the Port Royal Main Road.
The pipe will be laid on the soft shoulder of the edge of the roadway. Sections of the pipeline are now being fused as part of the upgrading process. And as part of the overall management of the project, there is a traffic plan that is being enforced. Upgrading the NWC's pumping station to improve the water distribution to Port Royal and its environs is another major component of the project.
We will be upgrading the treatment facility, putting in resilience in terms of additional pumping units and also a standby generator in case there is a power outage. So in terms of this aspect of the project, the cost of this project is approximately $100 million.
Meanwhile, residents were not left out of the loop.
We've sensitized the public in this area. We had the town meeting. Everybody was aware of what's going to be happening, and they actually want it to happen.
This is a multi-million-dollar investment, and because every drop counts, residents are being reminded to honor their obligation.
And so we expect that persons will be partnering with us, paying their bills on time, paying it in full for good quality service that they are receiving from the Water Commission.
This has been long in coming, but the wait will soon be over. There is great anticipation and expectation.
Running the pipe along the road would be much better secured, more secured, because the sea would have to come very far to take those pipes.
It would be good if it worked, you know. Because trust me, we'll go through hell. I hope the transformation works.
That is good because the water thing now is very bad over here right now. Right? Because most time you get water in the night and not in the day. Right? So improvement will be great.
Because all are fresh and couldn't even bathe. A bucket me have to bathe, you know. So that will help a whole lot, you know what I mean?
Yes, I feel good about that. It's a good project for the community. Beneficial to the kids. And the elderly people and everybody are going to benefit from it, so it's a good move.
The Port Royal Potable Water Transmission Main Upgrade Project, another example of the NWC's innovation and customer-centric core values, serving you in so many ways.